Hello, my name is Craig Cole, and I'm here today to talk about selling options and to show you what an option contract actually looks like. Would you like to guess how much cash we have generated off this one stock without selling a single share? Well, you're going to have to watch the video to the end. I want to talk about trading options. Currently, we're looking at GigaCloud, and these are what the option contracts look like. I've been trading in GigaCloud for a little over a year now, selling options on this stock. We receive cash for selling the option. We currently have 3 other stocks that we sell options on in our portfolio. The key for me is I want to own these stocks that I sell options on. Like GigaCloud's earnings have continued and rising, but its price has not been matching what its growth and revenue has. And I think it's because it's not beating the estimates by analysts, and it's not beating quarter to quarter results. Currently, GigaCloud's intrinsic value is at 88.46. These are all the stock options that we have sold on GigaCloud in the past 13 months. Yes, that's right. We made $42,000 on this stock without selling